The language is a pain, but, you know, I figure it's like field stripping a weapon. Just repetition, repetition.
Nari.
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 Only all stronger.
Neytiri calls me scown. It means moron.
This is a very important part of it.
Norm's attitude has improved lately.
But it's not just I'm seeing you in front of me. It's I see into you. I see.
It's good he's back on board, but he thinks I'm a scown
I
too.
understand you. So you gotta get this, okay?
You gotta run. Okay? Let's go.
My feet are getting tougher. I can run farther every day. I have to trust my body to know what to do.
Yeah, check it out. Crap.
Every day it's reading the trails, the tracks at the waterhole, tiniest scents and sounds. She's always going on about the flow of energy, the spirits of animals. I really hope this tree hugger crap isn't on the final.
This isn't just about eye-hand coordination out there, you know. You need to listen to what she says. Try to see the forest through her eyes.
Excuse me, this is my video log here.
With Neytiri, it's learn fast or die.
You gotta be kidding me. They talked Moat into letting Grace into the village. It's the first time since her school was closed down. I'm trying to understand this deep connection that people have to the forest. She talks about a network of energy that flows through all living things. She says all energy is only borrowed, and one day you have to give it back.